Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you diamond snipers. So for those of you who don't know how to get them, basically what you have to do is complete all camo unlocks for all snipers, all sniper rifles, or whatever tier of guns you're trying to get them for. So let's just start looking at them. Hang on. Oh, no. Why is it on gun game? Okay, now I can show you guys diamond snipers. And we're going to be doing it on hijacks. It'll just be me showing you guys the snipers, no like bots or
free for all.
So, here's the ballista. Ballista.
Let's go, ladies. We're on the clock. Time to go to work.
And it looks really nice, too. Yeah. And, so, I'll have another video on what attachments I used to get all these guns gold. All the snipers, so keep looking for that, okay? Now let's go to the XPR. Oops. Wow. Let's do DSR. Sorry, I forgot to change my class there. Alright, and here's the DSR. I think it looks the best because of all like the diamonds on it. Yeah. And it has some like chrome gold plating on it. See? Alright, now let's go to the SVOAS. SVOAS is pretty cool, I guess you could say. This is probably the hardest gun that I had to get gold for the snipers. Mainly because it has the lowest damage and it's a semi-auto. And for some reason I'm better at the bolt action than the semi-autos. Okay, now let's do the XPR. XPR 50 looks pretty cool, I think. So, yeah, this was my first YouTube video on my new account, Alpine Rays, which is my name too. Okay, so next I'm going to be making videos on what attachments I use. I shouldn't say best, but it's all on personal preference. Okay, thanks for watching, and please comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you.